To check dividends on Fidelity, you first need to log into your Fidelity account. Go to the Fidelity website and enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located at the top of the page. Under this tab, you will find an option for Positions. Click on it to view a list of your current investments. Here, you can see details about the stocks or funds you own, including any dividend information. Next, look for the specific stock or fund you are interested in. Alongside each investment, you will find relevant data, such as the current price and the dividend yield. For more detailed dividend information, click on the name of the investment. This will take you to a page containing comprehensive data, including past and upcoming dividends. Lastly, you can also check the research section on Fidelity's website. Search for the stock or fund by entering its ticker symbol in the search bar. Once you find it, you will see extensive information about its dividend history and upcoming payment dates. This is a great way to stay informed about when to expect dividends from your investments.